GM everyone. Imagine a traditional loan pool. Normally everyone invests in a same pool and share the same blend of risks and reward. Prism changes that completely. Prism stands for Programmable Risk Income Structure Market. Its core idea is simple. Instead of treating credit as one single asset, Prism splits it into different layers of risk and rewards, allowing investors to choose explicitly how much risk they want to take. Things Prism splitting white light into different colors. In the same way, Prism takes pool of loans or credit assets and refracts it into three separate tranches: prime, core, and alpha. Prime is the safest tranche. It designed for investors who want to stable and predictable returns with the maximum protection. Core suits in the middle. Alpha is the highest risk, highest reward tranche. Investors here aim to large returns but accept the possibility of taking loss first. The entire system involves around waterfall model. When income enters the system, such as interest payments or borrowers, the money flows through the waterfall from top to bottom. Prime gets paid first, then core gets paid whenever remaining flows to alpha. Uh, this means primes holders receive the highest payment priority while alpha holders receive the residual upside. But reverse happen when losses occurs. If borrower defaults or credit event happens, losses cascade upwards from the bottom. Alpha absorbs the losses first. If alpha is exhausted, losses move to core. Only after both alpha and core depletes do losses reach prime. This creates a clear and transparent risk hierarchy. Prime investors are protected by the capital sitting below them, while alpha investors earn higher potential returns because they act as the first line of risk absorption. The result is a market where risks become visible, measurable, and traceable. Instead of asking, should I invest on this loan or pool, investor can ask, which level of risk do I want to explore to? Prism transforms credit from black box into a structured, transparent financial system where risks and rewards are separated, tokenized, and priced independently. GM again everyone, this is our sleek looking landing page of Prism Protocol currently running on Stellar mainnet. Here you can see the brief discussion about trances, about the waterfall effect, about the architecture of Prism and the integration, also the security layer of the Prism Protocol. If that's not enough for you, there is a documentation slide of Prism Protocol. Here everything is written in detail about here, including the architecture, the financial model, the protocol operations. Also, we also share the SDK of Prism Protocol. Now, without wasting any time, let's join to the actual app of Prism Protocol. After landing on the Prism Protocol main app, it will ask for connect your wallet. I have connect my wallet already. Now you can see the profile portfolio section. Here is the all the details of the portfolio section. Now let's go to the position. The position does show what's your current portfolio position. This show that I am currently invest on the prime and core. Let's invest in life right now. In the earn section, you can see there is one credit pool is life, which is credit fault 0. Let's invest on the credit fault 0. There you can see there is three tranches right now on credit fault 0. Every fault has the same three tranches, which is prime, core, alpha. Remember the waterfall effect. Prime is the safest, alpha is the high reward, high risk category. Let's invest on the prime. Now you can see I have 0.95 USDC right now. Let's invest 0.3 USDC right now. Let's allocate the USDC. Now you have to sign in into wallet. Let's sign in. Let's wait a bit. Yeah, the transaction has been generated. This is the transaction. Now come to the trade page. In trade page, we basically this is the tokens USDC prime code alpha. We can swap USDC to alpha, prime to code to alpha, or prime to USDC. Okay, so you can see there is 97 USDC right now. Let's say let's point 3. Okay, this is the quotation. You can see the quotation. Let's confirm the transaction. Now we have to sign in wallet. Let's sign in. Yeah, the transaction has is generated. This is the transaction has, you can see. Okay, now this is the pool. You can see prime USDC pool. This is the AMM totals, AMM spot total. Okay, now in the AMM pool there is prime, core, alpha. You can deposit, you can liquid, you can keep provide the liquidity. Let's say let me provide the liquidity. Let's say suppose 0.2 USDC. Yeah, you can see I am right now I am successfully provide the liquidity in the USDC prime pool. Okay, in the bottom part there is market price of USDC coin, Tether, Stellar, and all. There is a positions live in the live oracle track all the positions in the senior trends, how much prime I invest, and all of those. Yeah, let's come to the terminal page right now. In the terminal page, all the transaction, all the thing happened is successfully shown in the terminal page. In the borrower page, before show how the borrower flow will work, we have to show the 4 collateral steps of Prism protocol. First, we have to lock the collateral on Ethereum. on Ethereum, lock in Ethereum or USDC or W. In Prism we are currently using Ethereum, but in future we are planning to move into Arbitrum or Pol for low gas fee. Then Oracle or detects in Prism there is our internal Oracle Prism collateral detects by the Oracle. Then Stellar attestation happen. Oracle signs a 73 bytes ED25519 message and submits it on Soroban contract. Then funds will be distributed. Okay. Now there is another one thing that we have to discuss before showing the borrower flow, which is the admin panel in Prism. So in Prism there is an admin panel. Okay. In admin panel, what happened? If any user apply any loan from the borrower page, it will show on here the loan app section. Okay. Now there is fault in the earn page. You can see the fault number 0. Basically you can deploy fall or pull from here and all the other admin related stuff. Now let's go through the flow. Let's deposit 100 USDC. Okay, 90 days, let's 60 days working capital. Submit the application under review. Now go to the admin panel. In the admin panel you can see it. Yeah, there is a working capital pending. Let's approve it. Okay, let's approve it. Now go to the main section. Yeah, you can see it's been done. Okay, yeah, now you can see the review has been done. Now let's select the collateral. I select the USDC. Let's select the amount of let's select the amount of 200. Okay, now you can see collateral ratio should be minimum 120%, but in my case right now this is 197%. Let's 120. Yeah, you can see this is perfect. Now let's continue. Approve record. Let's approve the USDC. I have to sign in the transaction through my MetaMask right now. Let's confirm. It's approving. Yeah, lock. Now I have to lock 120 USDC in the collateral. Let's lock it. You can see the collateral lock on Ethereum register on Stellar. It's perfectly locked in. Okay, this is a transaction hash. We can see on the Etherscan. Let's see. Yeah, this is a Sepulved testnet because our borrowing flow, which I am showing right now, this is on testnet. We already deployed mainnet, but for the demonstration, we show it on testnet. Yeah, this is the transaction hash. Now let's sign in the feature. Okay, so basically in the internal code, this is our feature wallet is on mainnet. That's why we can't sign in right now. But in the mainnet, we previously tested in the mainnet environment, it will work. So this is the borrower flow, and you can see. If I visit the admin panel again, you can see the overall total value log and all. This is loan application completed one. This is the loan application. Okay, yeah. So this is a Prism protocol.